Welcome to my channel. Hi guys, welcome. Don't click that button. Stay tuned and watch this video. So, hello. My name is Nisi, and I'm gonna tell you how I received some free baby item for my baby. And if you haven't checked out my previous video, you could go ahead and do so. I'll wait for you till you get back. I'll be right here waiting for you. So let's get into this. So the first thing that I have on my list is a breast pump. Yes. How did I receive my breast pump? Yes, how I receive it is my medulla breast pump. I receive it from my insurance for free. Yes, for free. And you could get one too. You don't have to get medulla. You could get. Let me show you the breast pump. So this is the box that it came in. Yep, the medulla. It's a very nice and handy. Go around anywhere you want to go and pump. And I love this. Yes, I love it. And this is what it looked like. You get 2 bottles like this. And the unit right here. Yes, this thing here will make you get so much milk. And this is the cover. When you finish pump and you store in the milk, you just put it on and put it away. Yeah, so again, I got this for free from my insurance. So all my baby mamas out there, go ahead and call you
baby mamas. This your song, been pregnant for way too long. Now tell the DJ turn it off.
If she a baby mama,
go ahead.
She gon' do that baby mama.
Go ahead and call your insurance, girl. Go ahead to get your free breast pump. Okay, and other places that do give free stuff is your doctor office. Yes, I said it. Your doctor's office give you things. Your OBG, yes, they give you things. They do. And I receive maybe 3 to 4 bags every time I go. I ask for a bag. Yeah, if you need it, ask. You know, it won't hurt to ask for things. Let me get this out of the way. So these are the bag your doctor office offer. These is really from the formula companies. They give them stuff. You know, if you're not gonna breastfeed your kids, you get the stuff. So this is one. You get 2 formula in there, some storage container, and yeah, it's a good bag, you know, just to bring with you. You don't want to walk with a big baby bag. So that's the bag. And the next one is this nice little cooler. You could use it for a lunch kit. That's what I've been using it for. Yeah, yeah, not only things for the baby, you could use it too. And it's nice. And what came in there was some storage container and some formula. Yep, some formula. To mention this with my electric pump, I do got a manual one. It's the same brand also. That's the manual one. I haven't used it yet because I just received it maybe 2 days ago. And it's from my WIC program. If there's a lot of people who don't know about the WIC program, it's... I would have to look up what WIC stands for, but I know it's for... No, I know what it stands for. It's for Women, Infant, and Children. So WIC is about you getting free stuff monthly, you know, like food, you know, item for you. for your kids, and they also give kids formula if you do if you if you don't breastfeed, you get formula. And you get food for yourself if you do breastfeed. So they're the one that give me this little breast pump. And you're saving money. Why not? And the other places are other things you could do to receive free item for your kids or baby that you got in your little tummy. Baby. No, that's not a good song. I'm not gonna. I was gonna say Kiki. Whatever. So the thing is to have a baby shower. What better way? I swear, I can't do this. I can't. For me to speak proper English, I can't do it. I can't do it. I'm gonna try. So don't butcher me if these words don't come out right. But what other way that... You know what? I'm just gonna say it. I'm just gonna say it. I don't really care. I'm just gonna say it. I don't know how to put it or how to put it out there. But yeah, other ways to get baby stuff. Having a baby shower. Yeah, I said it. See, it wasn't hard. I said it. Having a baby shower. So I'm not telling you to go have no fancy baby shower, no up baby shower. You know, the little baby shower, you bring your friends, have a little food, you talk and you relax, and they bring you free things. You know, bring you free things. Who don't have free things, I make them come to your door. You know, I'm just joking. I'm joking. It wouldn't be nice to tell you, don't come in my yard, you know, if you don't have enough free something, you know. But yeah, you could have baby shower. You have all different kind of registry, and you get free stuff from the registry. So this was a bag that I saved. I created a registry on Target. So yeah, this from Target. I created a registry on Target, and I received this free goodie bag. The stuff that I got in there is not from Target. I've been having this thing for over maybe 6 months or more. And they give you a bottle in there, wipes, diaper. Yeah, I think that's it. All of these stuffs are free. They give breast pad also. Breast pads. And storage container, so you could feel what, you know, get sample before you buy anyone out there, because there's a ton of storage container out there. And Amazon also give a gift back. Amazon also give Amazon also give a gift box. Yeah, I said it. Gift box. But you gotta spend $10 to receive that gift box. What was in there? You get wipes, diaper, bottles. I even got I got this little Muslim. I'm saying it right? Oh, God. Oh, amazing baby, little snuggle, and it's very big, and it's 100% cotton, and I got that thing for free. You didn't have to wait for me to say that. Nah, I got it for free. Yeah, so, and there are tons of organizations that you guys could Google in your area. Where I live, the one that I've been to, I will tell you about them. The first one was the Hope Center. I've been to the Hope Center. You go there, you do a pregnancy test for free, because they have to make sure you're pregnant before you even get their things that they offer. And they do ultrasound, and you do a nutrition class with them, and they give you a free car seat. Yes, a free car seat. And I'm going to definitely show the picture of the car seat that I received. It's very nice. And you get to pick the one that you like. Yeah, I picked the car seat that I did want. So after the Hope Center give you a list of other places that you could go. And this other place that I go to is the Healthy Start program. Whereas the Healthy Start program is all about making sure you're safe, your baby is safe. Definitely your baby. They make sure your baby is safe. So they give you a pack and play to make sure your baby have a safe area to sleep. I will surely put a picture of the pack and play up here somewhere, so you see that. I don't even use it yet, because I have a bassinet already that I received from my baby shower. People give me gifts, tons of gifts. So, yeah, the LT Start give you stuff. They have classes that you go to. You sit, you talk with moms. You know, you get to know other people, know their experience, what they've been through. You let you know which road you should take, what you should avoid, because that mom been through that situation. You know, give you a heads up, especially if you're a first-time mom and you're scared to do a lot of things. These groups are nice to go, just to sit, chill. I know you can't sip any wine, but sip your bottle of water and talk to your other moms. And the other program that I go to is, damn, I forgot the name. I sure do. But the name will be somewhere on the screen here. I go to that program where you go once a week and you watch educational videos. I'm happy I go to that class because there's a lot of things I learned that I didn't even know. And you learn. You watch video and you learn educational stuff. You meet new moms again. And you make mommy dollars. Ching! You make mommy dollars to buy stuff that you need from that class for your baby. And this was one of the things that I got there as a gift. You know, someone gave this to me there as a gift. It's a little teddy bear. It was adorable. So, yeah, you got a lot of free things. You buy what you need. It's not no one putting on things onto you that you don't want. You pick out the item that you want. You buy it with your little mommy dollar. Cha-ching! You hear those money calling me. But yeah, so this other bag I received from the hospital. They give me this bag. You know, they give you diapers and, you know, a little going home bag. You know, so you feel nice going home, getting free stuff for your baby. And for these items, you could try to search around, to Google of other different organizations in your area, or type in how to get free baby stuff, you know? You never know what's gonna pop up. I'm in the Fort Lauderdale area, so most of these places are close to me. I'm not sure if they are nationwide, worldwide. But for definitely with the insurance one, you could definitely call your insurance if you're not brave enough to go to other classes, to sit with other mom and no other mother. You could definitely call your insurance, and it's for sure you will receive your free breast pump. So if this video was helpful for you and you got to get some free item for your baby, doesn't matter what it is, you should let me know what did you receive and what other program are out there for other mom. You know what? We're helping each other out. We are helping each other out. How to, you know, make you save a little money. Maybe you want to buy something else. Maybe you want to save for your baby college. You know, you don't have to use that money to buy stuff that you could get for free, because a breast pump is like $150. It depends. It could cost you $200. You know, so thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on that notification bell, so wherever I upload a new video, you'll be the first one to know. And I will see you guys in my next, video. So I see you guys in my next video, and I hope this video was helpful to you guys. So, peace out.